So, first of all, alam na po naman natin na when it comes to website or application, signing up or creating an account is the most common na makikita natin. So, here's our feature na i-demonstrate namin, which is yung account generation. For example, AWS, then username, AWS account. Then set up lang natin yung password natin is 12345. And yan, create account. Then AWS account. So here is our main page where you can see there's tabs that shows total tasks completed, pending, high priority, and overdue. Dito naman sa baba, you can see na there's this, dalawang tab siya actually, pero almost same feature. Dito naman sa feature natin, you can add the scheduling or yung title ng scheduling natin. What? Also, responsive din siya.
Wow!
Umpisa niyo soundboard
Eh.
na dito.
So, check natin kung ano talaga siya. Working talaga siya. Different account siya. Demo. Ano yung password na?
House account?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ano yan?
And ito yung kanina. So, different ano naman siya. Ibang account naman. So, ano ba ginamit namin database dito? JSON lang siya. Tapos yung back-end Python, then front-end is HTML. Ayun lang po.